Now for the grand finale. Yup. Wow, we made that with only 2 lines of code. Isn't that great? So, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a snake game. So let's get started. In the previous video, you guys had to choose between a ping pong game or snake game. Sadly, the ping pong game had to lose and the snake game won. So, if you voted for the snake game, good job! So yeah, let's continue.
So let's start by adding a name to our project. So if you don't know how to open scratch.mit.edu, just click on the link in the description or just search scratch.mit.edu in the search bar. So I'm gonna click and say Scratch Snake Game. You can name this whatever you want. So yeah. Now you can go and add a sprite by clicking on the Add a Sprite button over here. So the first thing you have to do is to delete the cat sprite on the background. So if you don't know what a sprite is an object that we can give commands to do work. So to locate this, just go to your right hand corner of your screen near the Add a Sprite button that we're going to be using on in the video. And go up to the sprite list where you can see the sprite on your screen and simply click the delete button. Goodbye, Scratch Cat. Now what we'll do, we'll go and click on the Add a Sprite button that I located earlier over here and simply click on it to add a sprite. You can also click the Choose a Sprite button for the same result. Now search the sprite you want. I'm going to choose the apple, but you can choose any sprite for the base. Now that we are done with that, we can add a backdrop by clicking on Choose the Backdrop right next to Choose the Sprite. Now simply hover over it and click Choose a Backdrop. You can choose any backdrop you like. I'll choose maybe the light one, heart one, or maybe the space-shaped stripes. We have lots of many cool backgrounds over here. So you can choose any background you want. I'm going to choose the blue sky. And simply recolor it. To do that, you have to go up to the tabs over here. Now select the backdrop tab over here. After that, just click on the bucket tool and fill in the color of your choice. Done. Now it looks like plain grass. Now simply click back on the code tab and go and add another sprite. Now simply hover over it and click the paint button instead of the Choose a Sprite button. Now you can use all of these tools to make your own snake. You can copy my design or make your own design. So, yeah.
Now we're done with that, you can simply just get the one green flag clicked and the forever loop and a new block called create a clone of myself. So what this block does is it creates a clone of the sprite you're coding on. So right now I'm coding on the snake. I'll really quick change the name to snake. Now when you click on it, it'll create a clone of itself. So I'll put it in the one green flag clicked and click it. So now you can move the sprite to see how many clones you have made. So I clicked it 3 times, so I made 3 clones. So now what we have to do is we will simply just put the forever loop around the create clone of myself block. Now this is not necessary. You can just simply go to the look section and get a change color by 25. So now you see the original looks like it's changing colors like a rainbow, and when we create a clone of it, it changes into different colors. So you see what will this do in the video. Now we're going to make a new script, and this script is called the when I will start as a clone script. So I'll add this block right under the when I create clone of myself block. We'll also have to make 2 new variables. The clone variable for now, and the next variable I'll teach in the next episode or maybe in this episode. I'm pretty sure we're going to do it in this episode. Now you can move this variable anywhere you want. So I'm just going to keep it at the top for now. Or if you want to hide it, just click the tick button over here. Now it's hidden. Now that we have done that, we'll just add one more when green flag clicked. Now here comes the new variable. This variable's name is going to be the speed variable, which counts the speed of our snake. We're going to be using this variable in the next episode or the 3rd episode. Now we can also delete the my variable block, and we can put the speed variable under the clone variable. So if you don't want to do this stuff in the next episode or in the 3rd episode, I'll just do it right now. So I'll say set maybe the speed variable to 4 when green flag is clicked. Now that we've done that, we have to make our sprite move. So what you can do, you have to get a forever loop out and a if statement. If you don't know what these blocks are, you can just simply click the link in the description. Now you can bring 4 of these out with 4 of the arrow keys. Now go to the sensing and get out the when key space is clicked. Now that we've done that, just right click on it and duplicate it. And put it in all of the diamonds. Now you can change this to up, down, right, and left for all of the directions. Now, this is a bit different. Okay? So what you have to do, we can just get out the move 10 steps. Okay?
and get out the variable speed. Okay? Now you're getting closer. To do that, you have to just go and drag the speed variable from up here. Now go to the motion section and get the point in direction block right over here. So you can duplicate these just like we duplicated the red space key is pressed, and duplicate it again for the left arrow key. And now you have to change these to certain numbers. So write these numbers down and do it along with me. So the first one is 0 for up arrow key. Now for down arrow key, it's 180. And for right arrow key is 90. And the last one is negative. And there we have it. You're completely finished with your game, and we only have a bit left to do. So you see that your snake is now making a rainbow pattern, and it looks very, very cool. And if you want to make your snake only purple, you can just remove the change color by. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we're so close to 100 subscribers. And yeah, that's it for today. Meet you in the next video.